Alright, I wanted to just give a quick addendum to that last video of doing the ignition switch and push button start. One thing that I kind of forgot to mention because I actually removed it from the car many years ago is the steering lock. So if you remove the ignition switch to be able to put it on switches and push button things, you would still need the key in order to release the steering lock. So that can be removed. I actually removed it many years ago because for a lot of race rules, you actually have to remove that steering lock. So I'm not really going to go over how to remove it. There's a lot of information online on how to go in there and remove it. But that is something to remember. If you want to remove the ignition switch, you also need to do the steering lock. You don't want to be driving down the road and have the steering lock up on you and then you can't release it and you can't turn or do anything like that. So just the thing to remember, forgot to mention in the last video, so I'm doing this quick little update to fill you guys in on that. We will be back on the scheduled program coming up this week. Later.